I'm Volga, and today's video will be exploring my Workspace template in Notion, a powerful tool to organize everything, from daily plans to big team projects. You will find a link to this template in the description below. Think of this template as a personal control center, packed with everything you need to stay organized. If you're ready to boost your productivity, stick around. I guide you through each feature step by step. Let's start with the main dashboard, your center hub for everything. From here, you'll have quick access to all the key areas. When you open the template, the first thing you'll notice is the arrow at the top. Click on it, and you reveal a toggle list with descriptions and detailed instructions, helping you navigate each section with ease. On the left, there's a navigation menu split on the three main sections: Workspace, People, and Information. On the right, you'll see active projects, which you can switch to view today's tasks, weekly tasks, or all tasks. There's also a news section, a master calendar, and projects organized by person, and in annual timeline format. The template is built around three main databases: the main calendar, tasks, and projects. Let's start with the master calendar. This is your central space for viewing all events, tasks, and meetings in one organized calendar. On the left, there is a menu with buttons in two sections. The first section, General, includes preset buttons for scheduling common events like a client call, weekly team meeting, workshop, etc. In the second section, like Today, you'll find the same buttons, except which today's date for quick scheduling. If you open the setting for this button, you'll see that the current date has been added automatically. Clicking on the arrow reveals all the pre-configured templates for this calendar. You can modify them to fit your needs or even create new ones. For example, you'll see blue arrows beside weekly team meeting, which, when clicked, allow to set up automatic creation of this page, currently set to repeat every Monday. On the right side, you have a range of views to choose from: calendar week, calendar month, this week by priority, all by type, and by type calendar view. These options give you flexibility in how you monitor upcoming events, from a simple weekly list to an overview by priority. In the by type calendar view, you can choose exactly what you want to see. Simply click the arrow in the filter settings and select the types of events you want displayed, like workshop and call, for a customized view. Now, let's create a lesson scheduled for the next Monday. Click on the Lesson Courses button in the left menu. The type, priority, and status fills autofill, but you can adjust them, like setting the priority to low. Enter the title, for example, Python Basics. Choose the attendees. I select myself. Set the date for the upcoming Monday. Add a reminder to make sure you don't miss the lesson. In the agenda field, write the key points, such as Introduction to Python Basics. Link the lesson to a relevant project if needed, or leave it blank. Attach any related tasks in the task field, if applicable. Specify the location link for the lesson. Could be a Zoom link or a physical address, like Zoom Room 1. Now, you'll see the lesson added to your calendar. You also see this lesson apply on the main page. Now, let's dive into the task database. This is where you can keep all your tasks organized, making it easy to manage your to-do list. The left panel lets you add new tasks with ease. General, for tasks without a specific due date yet. Today, features tasks that are automatically assigned with today's date. On the right side, you have multiple views to organize your tasks effectively. By project, this view is a Kanban board where you can drag and drop tasks from not started to done, all organized by project. It's a dynamic way to visualize progress across different projects by people. Here, we find a board that categorizes tasks based on the team members' assigns. By priority, another Kanban board. This view displays tasks sorted by priority. It allows you to focus on urgent tasks while seeing their status across different projects. This week, this board filters tasks due for this current week, laid out in the Kanban style. This day, similar to this week view, this board focuses on tasks due for today, ensuring you stay on top of your daily commitments. This view displays all tasks across all projects without any filters, giving you a comprehensive overview of everything in your task database. Let's see how to create a new to-do task. Click on the Add New Task button on the left side of the task database and give it name. Prepare presentation for team meeting. Assign to. Click on the I do this button to assign the task to yourself or choose from the list of team members. Calendar. This property allows you to link the task to an event in the master calendar, ensuring that your tasks and events are aligned for the better organization. Create time automatically shows when the task was created, so you can track its history. Due date. Set the due date for this task. Let's say it's due next Friday. Files media. Attach any relevant files or media related to the task to keep everything in one place. Priority. Choose a priority level: high, medium, or low. Projects. Link this task to the relevant project. If needed, attach any files or add notes in the Files Media section. Once you fill in all the details, simply close the task window and you'll see your new task added to the task database, ready for action. The Project section provides a structured view of all ongoing, upcoming, completed, and on-hold projects. It tracks each project's progress, status, team members, and deadlines, giving you an organized overview of teamwork. You find several handy views to help you manage your project effectively. Table view, all information. In this view, all your progress are displayed in detailed table format. You can see key information. This is the perfect way to get a comprehensive look at everything in one place. Next, let's look at the board views, which includes filters for project status like not started, in progress, completed, and on hold. There is also a general board view where projects are displayed in a Kanban format without any filters. Calendar view. This view displays projects based on their start and end dates. Timeline view. In the timeline view, you can see your progress mapped out over time. List view. The list view shows progress in a simple list format with essential details, perfect for quickly scanning through all your projects without the complexity of other views. Let's create a new project. We'll click on the New button. First, we'll enter the project title, Marketing. Next, we'll set the priority level to Medium and the status to Not Started. To make our project more visual appear, we can add an image. We'll click on the Add Cover and choose an image. We can either upload our own image or pick one from a link. For this example, I select an image from the existing gallery. Next, we'll fill in some additional details. Start date, end date. We can set the start date for today and the end date for 3 weeks from now. Or no, I'll set myself. Activity code number. Here, we can enter a unique code for tracking, like P10. Progress. This property calculates the project's overall progress based on the numbers of completed tasks in the to-do section. For example, if there are 4 tasks and 2 are completed, progress will show 50%. The progress updates automatically as tasks are completed. Now, the progress progress will show as 0% since we haven't completed any tasks yet. For the type of project, we'll select marketing. Now, let's briefly review a few more details. Files media. For uploading files, we leave it blank. URL. Enter link here if needed. Last edited time. Uploads automatically. Online video materials. Exception for linking online resource, video or materials. The resource will also be displayed in the associated online video materials database for easy access. Now, let's add some to-do items for the project. We can easily go to the tasks page or create them directly here. I add them here. Research competitions. Create mood board. Design logo concept. Calendar. A link to the master calendar showing events or deadlines associated with this project. We leave it blank. And that's it. Now, let's explore the online video materials section. This area is designed to help you store and manage resources related to your projects, such as video and documents. First, there is a name column, where you can add the title of your video or material. Next, we have the tags field. In the date column, you can note when the video or material was uploaded or shared. The person column identifies who is responsible for managing the material. Here is Olga Petrovets. The project fields link the material to specific projects. Finally, there is URL column, where you can add links to the online resource, like a YouTube link or any other hosting platform. Let's open the team meeting page. This filter view of the master calendar shows only events tagged as meetings. Now, the lesson courses page. This is also a filtered view, displaying only lessons, workshops, and courses. Lastly, let's take a look at the database section. This is the place to store our database. We do not use this page. Let's take a look at the people page, where you can easily manage all team members and their info. Each person's entry has name, person, their Notion account, email, phone, LinkedIn, corporate title, university studies, team, which team they belong to, date of birth, period of work, employment start and end dates, months of work. This automatically calculates how many months a person has worked. To customize this to display years instead, click on the property, select Edit Formula, and replace the word month with years. Each team member has their own dedicated page. This means that they start the day, they don't need to look at everyone else's tasks or events. Everything they need is organized and gotten in one place, their own page. They can easily see their to-do list, calendar, and recurring daily tasks without distraction. When you open an individual page, you also find a section for daily tasks. These are recurring activities, like checking emails, that aren't linked to any specific project. You can customize these tasks by clicking Edit to fit the person's needs. To assign them for today, just click the button and they appear in their list. Each person's page also includes links to their to-do list and calendar, so they can quickly see tasks and events specific to them. This keeps everything organized and makes it easy for each team member to focus on their responsibilities without needing to sift through other tasks. The team page shows the different departments in the company and who works in each one. You can easily see the structure and find team members. It also shows where each person studied, using data from the people page. Let's explore the vacation plan page. This page shows a filtered view of the master calendar, focusing only on vacation-related events. Let's take a look at the information section of our workspace. First, we have the news page, where we share updates and important news for the team or project. Next is a brainstorming page, which is perfect for organizing ideas during brainstorming sections. Then we have the documentation page, where we store important documents like guidelines and processing, making sure everyone has access to the necessary info. The passwords page holds an essential passwords and login credentials. Finally, we have the goals page, where we track our goals for the year. And that's it. I hope this guide helps you get started with the Notion Workspace template. Whether you're using it for personal projects or team collaboration, it's designed to keep you organized and productive. If you'd like to try it out, you can find the link in the description below to get your copy. If you have any questions, leave a comment or email me using the address in the description. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials. Bye!